Yeah. Came at 17. Damn. Give me my money. Give me my money.
So today was day 14 and I learned about Python raise keyword, and raise keyword is used to raise exceptions or errors. Okay, now this raise keyword, with the help of raise we can handle some exceptions or some errors. Now first normal raise method is, suppose we make a program which takes input as only a even number. Huh? Now suppose if I create a variable and I typecast and input into tell me the number, right? Now first, if a when divided by 2 is not equals to, when divided by 2 not equals to 0, then raise an exception. We can raise an, here you can see it as printed exception, and we can type a custom message like put the even number only, and else print good. Now if I run the program, if I enter here 3, enter, here you can see it has raised an exception. Well, let me show. Here it has raised an exception, put the even number only, right? So this is how we handle exceptions normally. Now suppose, let me just comment everything. I can select all and just comment it, but let us do this. Now suppose we want to raise a type of error also. Okay, now suppose I am making a function, making a program which tries to change, wait a minute, if I make a variable which has and string input. Now suppose I want to typecast this string into integer. Now if I say try, and if I want to typecast it into integer, right? Now first it is trying, and now here comes exception handling. Exception here, exception. Now we are trying to wait a minute, here we are trying to write a custom, right, type of error. So it will be a value error, right, because value cannot be changed. Now here we will raise value error, and here inside we can write string cannot be changed into integer. Now if we run the program, here you can see it has printed the value error, string cannot be changed into integer, means it has printed the custom message which we gave it as an input. This is another way of means we can see the type of error it has printed. Okay, now if we only give raise, if we don't write anything here, then also it will run and it will raise the error. Here you can see value error, it has raised it itself, invalid literal for integer with base 10. Here you can see invalid literal for integer, because we are trying to typecast it in integer, right? So it has to be the integer with base 10, but here it is Jarvis, right? Means it is not, it is invalid for it to change in integer. So that is how we use raise. And till here I have completed most of my Python uh, basic syntax, and from now on I guess I will go on to solve exercises or some projects and stuff like that. And thank you for all, thank you so much. That's all for today.